Why did iced coffee become so popular? These days, refreshing iced coffee can be found just about everywhere at any time of day. Yet, just a few years ago hot coffee was the ubiquitous beverage. So, how did iced coffee get so popular and where did iced coffee come from? While iced coffee lags behind other consumer drinks in popularity, such as iced tea, energy drinks, sports drinks, and hot coffee, it's undoubtedly catching on. From 2009 to 2013, iced coffee's real estate on menus increased 5%. It is also particularly popular with young adults ages 18 to 24, where 38% consume iced coffee, higher than any other age demographic in America. For the first iced coffee we have to go back to 1840, in Algeria. The first iced coffee was called mazagran, or massagran. It was a cold and sweet coffee drink invented by the French army during the Battle of Mazagran. Drinking iced coffee is a real refreshment compared to hot coffee. You'll never burn your tongue on that really hot coffee again, which always means that everything you put in your mouth for the rest of the week has a slightly crazy taste. Iced coffee, especially cold brewed coffee, is less acidic than its warm counterpart. In fact, it's up to 67% less acidic than hot coffee, which is better for your stomach and teeth. Coffee brewed then chilled with ice, called iced coffee, appears in menus and recipes in the late 19th century. Iced coffee was popularized by a marketing campaign of the Joint Coffee Trade Publicity Committee of the United States in 1920. These days, iced coffee tends to consist of espresso, filtered coffee, or coffee syrup mixed with milk and ice cubes. And to avoid a diluted taste, iced coffee generally incorporates a stronger brew than hot coffee. Iced coffee, especially cold brewed coffee, is less acidic than its warm counterpart. In fact, it's up to 67% less acidic than hot coffee, which is better for your stomach and teeth. In a future history of iced coffee, the turn of the 21st century might well be remembered as a boom period for the drink, as coffee houses today are increasingly investing in and experimenting with new versions of coffee served cold. It'll be interesting to see what's next. Thanks for watching.